Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a certified pre-owned 2020 Volvo XC60 T5 Momentum. This is an Onyx black metallic with an amber leather interior. This is the Momentum trim level, so it's the base trim level, but it's packed with options. It has the premium package, the multimedia package, and the advanced package. It has the cool styling kit on the outside, that's the metal pieces on the front and rear bumper, and a full set of brand new custom wheels that our used car manager Tim Swinburne put on this. It's a cool look. It has a giant panoramic sunroof with a power sunshade. There's keyless entry as part of the premium package. Navigation is part of the multimedia package. Harman Kardon stereo system is part of the multimedia package. Check out the dual integrated tailpipes and that styling kit on the back. This thing is all set to put load bars on top. Get your accessory on. Spare tire. Black headliner. This has cross traffic alert with auto braking, so the car will actually brake for you if you're pulling out of a tricky driveway or a busy parking lot. If you're backing out and you don't see something coming, the car will apply the brakes for you. There's an active blind spot information system. It has aluminum inlays. Your seat controls are here. Your ignition switch is here right beside the drive mode selector, so you can select whatever drive mode you're in the mood for during the day. Those are all your safety systems you get to see every time you start up. Off to the left are your vehicle functions, and those are the back seat headrests. You can move those back from a touch of a button here. You can move those around. That 360-degree camera system, that's part of the advanced pack. And you just choose a camera for a better view. Great for not curbing your tires when you're parallel parking. Navigation, easy to use. Set your destination here.
Capital B. O.
Off to the left, you can check out your sound experience on the sweet Harman Kardon sound system. You can also you can add your messages there if you would rather have that show up last. You can also download whatever you'd like. This has Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, and those will illuminate once you plug in over here on the right. And then your center screen will be a giant version of your phone. So if you are looking for a Volvo XC60, today's the day. This is stock number 6557A. There's a link in the description box below with all the details, so check it out. And thank you so much for watching. We'll see you soon from Portland Volvo. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends and anyone else that loves driving in Swedish luxury. Take care, guys.